Alright, y'all, we're going to make Crockpot Cowboy Cheeseburger Noodles. We're starting with 2 pounds of ground beef. And we're going to throw in 1 packet of onion soup mix to get the flavors going. We're also going to toss in cheddar soup, or cream of cheddar, as some of you call it. Go ahead and slather it in there. Once you have that in, we're going to also put in 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Then we're getting to the burger part. We're going to throw about 2 tablespoons worth of ketchup in there, maybe a little more, as well as a tablespoon or 2 of mustard. And then finally, we're going to do 2 cups of beef broth to make all that magic live together in there. Once you have all that together, go ahead and put your lid on. You're going to put it on high for 2 hours. We got more stuff coming. Alrighty. So here we go, folks. And once it has cooked, go ahead and just stir that around so you get a little more creamy mixture going on in there. That is burgerific. Sorry, that was so cheesy. Get it? Okay, here we go. So we're going to throw in 12 ounces of egg noodles already cooked. Once we got that stirred up, just give it one little fold in. Then once you do that, go ahead and toss in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I suggest shredding it yourself from a block. It gets nice and melty. Go ahead and get that stirred together till it's looking creamy and melty. Alright, y'all. Once you've given it nice and stirred together, it's a moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Oh, baby. Look at that. Creamy, meaty, cheesy. Not sure if this is going to help this cold I got, but sure is going to taste good. Here we go. Y'all, that is like hamburger helper on steroids. This is the Arnold Schwarzenegger of hamburger helper pastas. This is the Michael Jackson. Never mind, scratch that. This is the Mike Tyson. Never mind. This is really good. Try it at home, folks.